Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Golden Nanotech. Today I come back with a new video. I have a Yamaha mixer. This is the model number and here is the charging socket. So the charging socket is damaged, so now I will make a Yamaha charger with the laptop adapter. So how can I make it? Let's show you. So this is the model number. You can find this charger in the online, or otherwise you can buy this charging jack. It's like a scooter charger. Okay, so also you can find it this jack from a scooter charger. This is the scooter charger. So now I have a laptop. It's HP 18.5 volt. So this charger is 18 volt and this laptop charger is 18 output 19 volt or 18.5 volt, any charger laptop. I just cut this socket and I will put here and I make charging jack. So let's do it. So guys, I first remove this charging socket, this jack, and okay, like this it will be open. So here is number 1, is number 2, number 3. So we have to connect one this one and to this one, 1 and 3. I have to connect 1 2 3, this one 1, this one 3. I will connect 1 the positive, 3 is negative. Okay, you can see carefully. Here is the 1 and here is the 3, here is the 2. So 2 we no need, I just need 1 and 3. So first I cut the cable. Okay, put this inside and check. It can be, but I just remove this one. So I cut from here and put inside this, and I remove the wire. And you can see here inside is 2 wire. The first one, the ground, this one ground, and this one positive. So I have to open the positive also. So I will soldering first here. Solder the cable first. Okay, solder cable. Now I will cut the extra cable, and now I have here is the number 1 and number 3. So number 1 I will solder the positive. So now I will connect number 1 is positive, see guys, and this side is negative connection. First I will ring negative port and then I return. So my connection is done. I just put some tape here because to not make the short. Okay, so I have to put some tape here. Now okay guys, now I will put this one inside and I return back the screw. And here is the charger, and make tight this because do not move the cable. So now I will check first the voltage. See guys, this is working. Okay, and this is speaker system for laptop connection, and this is the 18-volt charger. I'm using 18-volt, 19-volt working here perfectly. So thank you guys. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for the new video and hit the bell icon.